Hello my beautiful people, my name is Destiny Jukes. I'm a marykay consultant and a dreadloctician. If today is the first time you're seeing this channel, please like, subscribe and comment. Subscription is totally free. You see a red subscribe button there, click it, click the bell by the side and click all. In that way, whenever I post any video, you'll be the first to be notified. So today I will be demonstrating how I use the Microdermabrasion Set, Miracle Set and the Acne Proof Set, just depending on what you're treating, depending on what you want your face to be. So in this case, I will be cleaning my face first with the Time-Wise 3D cleanser. Yeah, so you wet your face first and you put your Time-Wise. Very little goes a long way. A pea amount of the cleanser. You clean your face round and make sure you avoid your eye area. Clean clockwise, round, circular motion. So when you finish cleaning, you use your Microdermabrasion Set. So you can see the benefits in all this I'm showing you. That's why I put it down for you to see. You wet your face again, make sure your face is wet, so you can help the lather. So you scrub your face, gently in a circular motion, the way I'm just doing, like so. You scrub gently, you scrub on your neck, your cheek, avoiding the eye area as usual. You scrub. The good news is that this product is for all skin type, whether you're white, you're black, you're green, you're purple. Yeah, it's for everybody. Yeah, so the reason why I'm doing this demonstration is because I gave out some samples to some people, so I want them to watch it and see how it's done, how I do mine. And I know they will love their product once they use it. And I'm waiting for your orders. You better order. Yeah, so I finished cleaning my face with the cleanser. Yeah, look how my face looks. It looks so clean. Yeah, I can feel it. The dermabrasion scrub clears build up dead skin cells. Yes, that's what that does. While this pore minimizer helps close back the pores. When the microdermabrasion opens the pores and cleans out everything, you use the pore minimizer to close back your pores, and your face will look real refreshed and real good. Yes, so and again, you go ahead to use your acne serum. That's for people that have acne on their faces, that want to treat acne. They want to treat acne. They have acne problems, but I don't have acne problem. Mine is just an ingrowth hair. So if you're treating acne, you use this acne serum. Also, you rub it on your face. Make sure you avoid the eye area. Yes, you rub it around your face, and after that you proceed to the next one, which is the day cream. Yes, so this day cream, it depends on what time you are. If you're in the night, you use your night cream. If you're in the daytime, you use your day cream. Oh, this is really too much. This cream I use is too much, because if you use too much, it will make your face greasy, and if your face is really sensitive, it might make it make you have breakouts. It's not good to take too much of it. Just a little goes a long way. So that's why those samples I gave out to the people I gave them out to, they should use it small. It will go a long way. Yeah, so this is the eye cream. The eye cream is really good for those people who have dark eye circles, puffiness, tiredness from looking at computer all the time, or lack of sleep. This eye cream is really a miracle. That's why it's called a miracle. It's included with the miracle set. Yeah, so you tap with your ring finger. You tap. You don't rub and you don't drag. please, you tap around your eye area and you see how you feel. Use this morning and night. You see how little I take? Very little goes a long way, so don't waste it. Use very little and it goes a long way. Yeah, so please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, and this one is the spot remover. Is also optional for those people who have spots. So when you use that, you make sure you've cleaned your face and you use your spot remover. Just put it in the places where you have the spots, rub it in, and that's it. Some people tell me, this is too much to do in a day. It's not too much. Sometimes you use just two things, which is cleanser and night cream, or cleanser and day cream. If you have problems with your face, which is acne, then you can go ahead to use spot remover or acne proof to make sure you treat the problem you have. So if you don't clean your face properly, your product will not work in your skin. You have to clean your face, clean all the dirt before it works properly. That's why we use that. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. Bye.